How to make lasagna at home. Making lasagna at home can be a delicious and rewarding experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to making lasagna from scratch. Ingredients: 9 lasagna noodles, 1 pound, 450 grams, ground beef or Italian sausage, 1 onion, chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 can, 14 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 1 can, 14 ounces, tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 teaspoons dried basil, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 2 cups ricotta cheese, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1 egg, lightly beaten. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and cook the lasagna noodles according to the package instructions. Drain the noodles and set them aside. In a large skillet or frying pan, cook the ground beef or Italian sausage over medium heat until browned. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic and cook until the onion is translucent. Drain any excess fat from the skillet. Add the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato paste, dried basil, dried oregano, salt, and black pepper to the skillet. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Simmer the sauce for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. In a separate bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, chopped fresh parsley, and lightly beaten egg. Mix well. To assemble the lasagna, spread a thin layer of the meat sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Place 3 lasagna noodles on top of the sauce. Spread half of the cheese mixture evenly over the noodles. Top with 1/3 of the meat sauce. Repeat the layering process with 3 more lasagna noodles, the remaining cheese mixture, and another 1/3 of the meat sauce. Place the final layer of 3 lasagna noodles on top and cover them with the remaining meat sauce. Sprinkle the remaining 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for an additional 25 minutes or until the cheese is golden and bubbly. Once cooked, remove the lasagna from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes before serving. This allows the lasagna to set and makes it easier to slice and serve. Serve the lasagna warm and enjoy. Note: feel free to add additional ingredients like sautéed vegetables, mushrooms, or fresh herbs to customize your lasagna to your taste. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.